Hello again, crypto family! The world of digital assets never sleeps. New trends, scandals, and of course scams every day. But what if I told you that I found a project that could change the rules of the game? Welcome to Altcoin Aphrodite channel, where we analyze only those projects that you could believe in. Ready to find out who is next on the radar? Then let's go!
Today I will tell you about how best to choose a cryptocurrency exchange, what aspects to pay attention to, and tell you about the exchange that I personally use. In the modern world of digital assets, choosing a cryptocurrency exchange is not just about registering on another platform, but a strategic decision that determines the security of your funds, trading efficiency, and access to innovative tools. This is the search for a partner who will be a reliable custodian of your assets, a guide to the world of complex tools, and at the same time a school where your experience will grow. First of all, you should look deep at the reputation of the platform, measure it not only by years on the market, but also by the transparency of its operations. Security certifications such as ISO 27001 and regular publications of reserves are not marketing moves, but fundamental obligations to the user that form the basis of trust. Also, important is the size of the insurance fund, which acts as the last line of protection in unforeseen circumstances. At the same time, the exchange's technological landscape should indicate its readiness for tomorrow. The platform, which invests in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation, offers not just tools for trading, but an intelligent environment for making decisions. Here, BingX, founded in 2018, comes to the fore, which has outgrown the status of classic exchange, becoming a leading Web3 AI company. Their bold $300 million investment in AI development over the next 3 years ensure the embedded intelligent products is exactly the evolution that is refining commerce, making it more confident and accessible to a community of 40 million users, which confirms an impressive 100% annual growth. It's also important to evaluate the range of services. Does the platform only support spot trading, or does it also offer derivatives such as futures that require a high degree of reliability? BingX demonstrates outstanding versatility here, ranking among the world's top 5 derivatives platforms and offering spot trading with over 170 blockchain integrations. But choosing an exchange is also a matter of the ecosystem. Does it have an educational resource for beginners? Is there personal support for the experienced traders? The presence of an academy like BingX Academy and multi-level support service, including a VIP service, indicated that the exchange cares about the user all the way. Don't forget about how exchange fits its key messages into a global narrative. Its slogan and mission should resonate with your own approach to investing. The BingX motto BingX, Beyond the Alpha, reflects more than just a pursuit of superior profitability, a mindset that aims to push boundaries, constantly innovate, and co-create the future with the global community. It's a philosophy backed by action, from an AI engine and $150 million defense fund to round-the-clock support. In general, this ideal exchange is a symbiosis of impeccable security, advanced innovation, comprehensive service, and a clear, ambitious philosophy. It does not just follow regulations, but sets new standards as BingX does BingX, turning from an exchange platform into a technology leader. Personally, I choose BingX. And if you're also interested in this exchange, you can follow the link in the description and register on it. But I don't call anyone to take these actions, and my video is for informational purposes only. Which exchange to choose for trading cryptocurrencies, up to you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a good investment.
If the video was valuable to you, click like. This is the best gratitude. Any thoughts? Write in a comment. Let's discuss. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. There are many hot topics ahead. Links to the project are below. Check it out. See you in the next episode.